Welcome back to the channel. Today we're just going to do a quick overview of a lot of the things that I've done on my trailer, the Rangerunner. I'm just going to do a quick overview just to show you some of the inside projects that I've done, the outside projects as well. So let's get started. Okay, so the first one that I've done on the inside is, and I'll put a quick video or add to a quick picture of what it used to look like. So I added some shelving in the back on this side, plus some cigarette lighter for my cooler. So, and then the big wall in the back, the big wall. Plus I just added in, or redid my shelves so they're now on slide outs instead of static ones. I got netting up here for stuff. I know it's hard to see. There we go. Okay, that's the big first project on the back end. And then, of course, that's right, it was field artillery. All right, so the first big project I did, or original project, was the lights. I'm going to show you what those look like. So this is what the lights look like on the back end. Okay, emergencies, running lights, all of that. That was my first big project I did, was those. Okay, the next outside project I added in was these gutters, and they go all the way around the whole trailer. So I'll put a link for that video. All right, I haven't really done anything on the sides. I kind of like the trailer pretty much what it is. I'm going to probably decorate the back a bit more. Up above, I have two things. Okay, so on the top part, I added two 100-watt solar panels. The other one's right there. Okay, plus the cover. And then underneath, I have the torpedo. I'll show you a picture of that real quick as well. That's the outside projects. On the front, I did add in my Tractor Supply front box, and which holds all of my electrical. I'm going to redo it, don't worry. It's just a temporary. And then all my other gear that I need. That's the outside. Inside. Sorry, it's a mess, I know. Actually, the other thing to show you is I added these little door catches. And it holds it nice, and it's just a magnet. There you go. And I didn't drill it. I used 3M double-sided tape. I'm trying to avoid drilling as much as possible. Here's my control panel, second shelf, bed. There's the big back wall, curtains. I know it's dark, sorry. And I still got a lot more things to do. Most of this stuff comes out when I go camping. The canopy, the fire pit, the extra table, that's the toilet over there, and miscellaneous stuff. Stuff that goes out stays. Some of it stays, some of it goes out. And that's the quick overview of my Rangerunner. So, hope you like this quick little video. That's a lot of the stuff I've done. Still got more things to do, but if you have any, hope you got some ideas or suggestions, feel free to leave them in the comments. Anyway, thanks for watching. Talk to you later. Bye.